Hey, good morning, guys and gals. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 23rd of November 2018. Happy Thanksgiving to our US friends. I think it's still Thursday in the US, and also Puerto Rican friends. A bit of action this morning on the trades. This video, I just go over what I've done on the daily charts on both the Mod MACD and the high probability methods. So let's have a look. We'll start with the daily high probability charts. Here's the profile here, a little bit of action. US CAD. Here's took a third sell. It's a high risk trade against the trend. You can see the trend slowly been going up. This is my third go at this sell. That's the problem with taking trades when you are using regular bearish divergence like I am here. As you can see, price is going up. MACD is going down. Regular bearish divergence. Normally, regular divergence means you're looking for a change in trend. So it's always a little bit higher risk, and this is. So I've taken a sell here at the intersection of these two red lines. Stop and place the red dotted line there. That's USD CAD, new sell trade. Oz CAD. Took a sell here also this morning. You can see I could probably draw some. I probably should have done it already. You can see higher highs there on price, just a small one, and you can see that the MACD's been going down. So again, regular bearish divergence. It's only a small one, a tight one as I call it in the books, but definitely the MAs are down, even though they're starting to tighten up. Price has got to that 240 and sort of stalled a bit, and it looks like it may want to roll down, possibly. So we're going to sell AusCAD. Pound New Zealand, all I've done this morning, I'm still in this sell from back here. I'm actually looking for a buy, but I'm not going to take it until I get a nice break of this trend line here. With the uncertainty in the UK with regards to Brexit, we're getting close to a final resolution, I believe. One of our fellow readers posted a timeline in the Telegram discussion the other day, which is appreciated, which gives me a bit of an idea. Still my head in, but that's just what it is. But we're in a sell here, and all I've done is move the sell stop down to this level here, 1.93114 this morning. So I haven't taken a buy yet, just protecting the sell by moving the stop down. And New Zealand CAD, I'm still in a buy from back here. There's a stop for the buy at this level here, just below the 240 LMA. This morning I took a new sell. That should be a red line because it's a sell, Jim, you idiot. All right, there we go. All right, so we took a new sell this morning, stop and place up here. The MAs are tightening up, so that it's again, you could probably get away with saying there's some tight divergence there. Should have really drawn all this before. Yeah, it's not really pretty, but you know what I mean. So you've got higher highs on price there, and I think you'll find the MACD is going down at the same point there. Close to it anyway. So yeah, sell trade, still got a buy trade in place. All good. That's the New Zealand CAD. Aussie New Zealand, taking a buy this morning. It's a theme, seems to be a lot of New Zealand pairs here. Anyway, we've got regular bullish divergence. My first one was stopped out. Again, you're doing the high risk thing. The MAs are starting to head down, so I guess there is some risk there. I'll just make a little asterisk on my chart so I know. So we've got a buy here at this level with the blue lines where they intersect. You can see price has gone down, 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 and the MACD hasn't really followed. It's gone more. It's had higher lows. Regular bullish divergence. Take another buy here. Second go. Hopefully go up towards the MAs. That's the plan anyway. So that's it for the high probability. Let's switch over to the Mod MACD charts. Change my notes over. I'd show you the platform. We're down a few hundred dollars at the moment. It's a little bit ugly though. When I switched over to the laptops, I've got to work out what I've done wrong here. I can't adjust the font, and it's a bit ugly looking. This is I'll spit it out in a minute. The FX Pro demo account I'm doing the high probability trades on. Here's the actual trades here. There's the new ones I took this morning. You can see them there. And we'll go down, and we're down. We've got $208 in profit. Now equity's 9.6, so we're down about $370 or so on this account, which is not a big deal, but hopefully it'll pull back. All right, let's switch over to that Mod MACD charts. All right, getting a little bit ugly on these ones at the moment, so we've taken a little bit of drastic action this morning. Aussie USD in a buy here. It's a full buy at the moment. This morning I've decided to close 2/3 of that trade and put a stop at 1 point. What have I done? Sorry, let me start again. I'm still in 2/3 of this trade in a buy. I've closed another 1/3 or 0.01 this morning, and I've left my stop where it is. I was looking one ahead on my notes there. So I just closed another 1/3 of the Aussie buy. It's just losing steam. It got up close to 240 LMA. You can see that the MACDs are going down. They're starting to roll over. So I'm just protecting my positions here. Pound Swiss in a sell, went about 180 pips down, then bang, yesterday up she goes. Brexit, Brexit, Brexit. So in a sell, I've decided I'm going to start reducing my risk on these pound pairs. So closed 2/3 of this trade and put a stop in place at 1.29689. So I'm not getting much out of it, but I'm reducing my overall risk. CAD Yen had a sell here, went nicely, broke through the 240 LMA. I thought that was great, looking good, and bang, last 2 days, gone up back through the 240 LMA. So here I've closed 0.02 also and put a stop at 86,471. Just reducing my risk. It just looks like it wants to head up now, so I'm not going to muck around with these trades. Oz Swiss. Right, good one here. We're in a buy back here. Had a stop in place at this level here. That buy has now been, the remaining buy was closed here as there's a new sell signal here this morning, all right? So we can get rid of that buy, so it's overall profit there, which is good. And we took a sell this morning. We've got a red dot on the QMP. We've got the required cross, the mandatory cross, confirmed cross on the fast MACD in the middle. The standard MACD is in sell mode. The only criteria it's not met, but doesn't stop us from taking the trade, is the price didn't close below the 25 SMA. But all good, enough to take the sell trade. So it's a new sell on the Oz Swiss, and the buy, remaining buy, was closed out. CAD Swiss in a sell, similar to probably the CAD Yen, went down nicely through the 240 LMA, but then stalled and starting to head up. So again, I'm closing 2/3 of this trade and put a stop in place at 0.76611. So you can see it's a black dotted line. Closed 2/3, 1/3 in play. And I believe that's about it. For you guys that are, on my little doohickey, for you guys that are interested in my basket trading, I've been making a few posting a few reference links in the Facebook group. There's a shared document with a journal, got all the information. I'm just doing a daily journal on it, keeping a spreadsheet, etc. up to date. It's going all right. There's been a few little hiccups, but there'll be obviously more trades this morning because of all these new trades on the high probability and the Mod MACD. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing, and you're more than welcome to join the Facebook group. And I'll speak to you guys probably Monday. Have a good day, everyone, and take it easy if you're celebrating the holidays. Cheers.